Om Shivaya, Om Amriteshwaraya Namaha. My name is Navashri, my friend name is Nainika, my another friend name is Shivani. We are studying at Amritadhyayam Trichy.
We made a prototype called Smart Mosquito Repellent.
Toddlers are highly vulnerable to mosquito bites, which can lead to discomfort, allergic reactions, and transmission of diseases like malaria and dengue. To protect toddlers, many parents use mosquito repellents, but the safety of these products, when consumed either accidentally or intentionally, remains a concern. Some repellents contain toxic chemicals that, if ingested, can cause severe health problems including nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and even long term organ damage. The problem is compounded by toddlers' natural curiosity, which makes it difficult for parents to monitor usage at all times. There is a need to better understand the risks associated with the consumption of these repellents by young children and to develop safer formulations or preventive measures. Ensuring the safety of these products while providing effective mosquito protection is critical to safeguarding toddlers' health. The solution involves using a touch sensor integrated with an Arduino Nano controller to detect when a toddler interacts with a mosquito repellent device. Once the sensor is triggered by the toddler's touch, the Arduino Nano activates a sound producing mechanism alerting caregivers. This setup ensures the safety of toddlers by notifying parents or guardians if the repellent device is being tampered with or touched, helping to prevent unsafe usage.
Our project falls under UNSDG goal number 3, good health and
We
well-being.
hope our project will save lives. Thank you, Om Namah Shivaya.